Kevin Cope back at you from Supermicro, continuing our podcast on instantiating a VM for Ubuntu, doing some pre-flight checks here prior to deploying your SuperCloud developer console. So the last video I struggled on basically the name of the file that we needed to change here in regards to getting access to SSH. Obviously here, sleep deprived, not thinking, mental brain here. So it is what it is. I think that's what happens is when you get old in your day and age here, has been in the industry for a while here, you sometimes have these senior moments. I can't remember files. So let's move on. So that's, I guess, one of those things I have to deal with in my life, right? So, all right. So we're at the top of the file. So we did a nano of the SSD config file. So it's SSD underscore config file. And so we're SSD underscore config. And we're moving down into the file to see the line that says specifically permit root login, right? You'll see it is commented out. We want to uncomment it out, and we want to set the flag there to be yes, which means that if I'm root and I'm SSHing into this particular host, I'm going to allow access, right? Let's spell yes correctly. And then the next thing we want to do is Control X. And then at this point, save it. Yes. Save it. So it's SSHD underscore config we're making changes to. And the next thing we need to do is basically at this point, we need to shut down the SSH process or restart it. And then that'll allow us then on the next particular connection point into this host, root will be allowed access, root login access. So we're going to type in the command here, system control restart space SSH. And if you're like me, sometimes you get these reversed. But in this time I did not get them reversed. Sometimes I put the SSH and then restart, but this time I got it right. And it is ready to go, SSHing into this system, right? So the next thing we're going to do is do a apt get update and go out and poke our mirrors out onto the internet, which it's basically doing so. And so we've read in the package list. And the next thing we're going to do is an apt get install, upgrade. So we're going to upgrade this to the latest kernel version. And you could put a yes switch in there. Usually for safety, I put in a no switch, and then I allow it to prompt me. I'm going to say yes here, and away it goes. So this is going to take some time to go out there and tap the mirrors on the shoulder and find all the software dependencies to upgrade my kernel appliance here to the latest. So this concludes this video session on allowing SSH connection inbound through root, and then also going out and poking the mirrors to get the most up-to-date software dependencies for the upgrading of the kernel. So thanks for joining today. We'll see you next time. Have a wonderful day. Thank you for joining.